Hello class, today is Friday, January 15th, 2021. So, yesterday we learned about arranging fractions, and today we're going to review the homework we had to arrange fractions, right? So, yesterday we stopped off, we're going to look at page 77, page 77, page 77, number 3, and we're going to be doing part 2 of number 3. So here we see 4/6, 13/15, 23/20, right? So it says arrange the fractions in descending order. Arrange the fractions in descending order. So first we have 4/6. Next we have 13/15. And then last we have 23/20. So what number can we make it all the same? What number can we make it all the same, right? 6, 15, and 20. I think we have to turn them all into 60, right? 60 is the closest multiple we can turn it into. So 4/6 is equal to 60. 13/15 is equal to 60. 23/20 is equal to 60. What do you have to do? 6 times what equals 60? 6 times 10. 4 times what equals 4 times 10 equals 40. Very good. Remember, we have to multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. 15 times what equals 60? 15 times 4. Very good. 13 times what equals 52. Very good. So 20 times what equals 60? 20 times 3. So we have to multiply the top by 3 as well. 23 times 3 equals 69. Good. So now we want to write it in descending order, right? Descending order. Descending means big to small, big to small. So descending order. Let's write our biggest number first. Biggest number would be 69, 60, over 60. Then it would be 52 60ths. Then it'd be 40 60ths. All right, but some of these numbers are different. Remember, we have to write it back in the original way. So 69 60ths is the same as 23 20ths. Then 52 60ths is the same as 13 15ths. Then the next one, we have 40 60ths is the same as 4/6. So that's how we would write our answer. First we would write 23 20ths. Then we would have 13 15ths. Then we would have 4/6. Next one. Let's do the next one. New page. All right. So here we have 1/3, 1/6, 7/12, 5/24. So let me write that down on a blank page. We have 1/3, 1/6, 7/12, and 5/24. So we're going to look at the denominator. What number can we make it all the same? These are all multiples of 3. So we can make it turn it into 24 is our highest, right? So let's turn it all into 24ths. 1/3 is equal to blank over 24. 1/6 is equal to blank over 24ths. 7/12 is equal to blank over 24. All right, 3 times what equals 24? 3 times 8. So we multiply the top by 8 as well. So 1 times 8 is 8. Very good. 6 times what equals 24? 6 times 4 equals 24. So we have to multiply the top by 4 as well. So 1 times 4 equals 4. All right, the bottom, 12 times what equals 24? 12 times 2. So we multiply the top as well. 7 times 2 equals 14. Very good. All right, so here we have 5 24ths, 14 24ths, 4 24ths, 8 24ths. What's the biggest fraction? What is the biggest fraction? These are all the same denominator, so we look at the numerator first. So the first one is 14 24ths. Then the next one is 8 24ths. Then the next one is 5 24ths. And then the last one is 4 24ths. So then we have to turn it back into the original number. So 14 24ths is the same as 7 12ths. So we're going to write that out. 7 12ths. The next one, 8 24ths, is the same as 1/3. So we're going to write that out. 1/3. 5 24ths stays the same. And 4 24ths is equal to 1/6. So there's our answer. We're going to write 7 12ths, 1/3, 5 24ths, 1/6. Seven 12ths, 1/3, 5 24ths, and 1/6. There we go. Awesome. So, number 4, let's check our answer for number 4 as well. Write the number in each box to complete the list of equivalent fractions. All right. So here we have 2/5, blank tenths, blank 20ths, 16/40ths. So what do we have to do to get these numbers? Remember, we want them to be equivalent. So what do we do? Remember, we did this before. What do we use? We use multiplication. We use multiplication. So 2/5 is equal to blank tenths. All right, what do? What do we times to get 10? 5 times 2. 2 times 2 as well. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we get 4 tenths. And then it's equal to blank 20ths. What do we do again to get 20? 10 times what equals 20? Times 2 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. So here we get 8. All right, next one. 16 24ths is equal to 12, something over 12. What do? We did this before. We don't have to use multiplication. What's the opposite? We can divide by 2, right? 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So we have to divide the top 2. Divide by 2. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Very good. Then we have something over 6. What do? 12 divided by 2. Very good. Equals 6. So we have to divide the top as well. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So we get 4, 6. So make sure you check your homework and write everything down. Write down the correct answers. Make sure you write it down. and check your answers. Make sure it's correct.